G'day everyone. They've asked me could I put a niche in at the end of the bath when there's I sometimes do a niche in the bath. I'm not going to charge these people anything for this. It's just a gift. It doesn't take me long to do. Easy peasy. You know, they're paying good money to have this bathroom done up, so something in return. It doesn't take me long. They don't have to pay for this. I might have hit a bit of timber here, I think, but no biggie. Where's something to get it out? Woohoo! Oh shit, eh? Nah, can't do. Oh well. So much for that. Looks like they don't get their free niche. Nah, that's too much timber to go cutting out. So let's patch her up. I'll give them the bad news. So be it. We'll see you soon. Bye. I just talked it over with the owner. He works from home, so he said, "Oh, how about a small one?" Because that's yeah, no. We don't go cutting out that timber. That's too much. Oh, bit of dust in my throat. So, well, what I'll do is I'll cover that up again. And we've got a small one, so I'll just frame it in timber and we're laughing. So I'll take a measurement, go out and cut some cement sheet for that, and I'll frame it and I'll come back to you. See ya. Bye.